Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to display. In here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start from the top of the list where we can change brightness level of display, enable or disable adaptive brightness, manage lock screen settings like privacy. We can add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, enable now playing feature, enable always show time and info, enable or disable tap to check phone, and lift to check phone. You can also enable or disable wake screen for notifications. Next we've got screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, dark theme, font size, display size, night light, colors, auto to rotate screen, smooth display, increase touch sensitivity, and screensaver. And that's it for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.